Namaste everyone, good evening. Namaste ma'am, good evening. Okay, so everyone practice yesterday's verses? Very good. Okay. So today we'll start from the beginning. Keep color pencil with you. I've already told you yesterday. So wherever there is a stressed or the letters, I'll tell you those letters. You have to just underline those letters in a color pencil. Okay, you can quickly get the color pencil or highlighter, whatever, and you will start. So I'll recite from the beginning and I'll tell the meanings also once again. Quick meanings, not the lengthier one, so where you can remember easily. Fine, we'll start. So yesterday I told you when we start with the complete chanting, we'll go with either Om or Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I'll repeat once again, repeat after me, okay? Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Fine, okay. So we'll start from the beginning. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj. You can repeat along with me. Okay? Along with me, not after me. You have to tell along with me. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj. Nij Man Mukhar Sudhar. Baranau Raghubar Bimal Yash. Jodayak Phalachar. So first let me complete this and I'll go to the meaning. Is that fine? Okay, fine. Okay. So I'll start once again from the beginning. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj. Nij Man Mukhar Sudhar. Baranau Raghubar Bimal Yash. जोदायक फलचार. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार. बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर. जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर. रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा. अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा. महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी. कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी. कंचन बरन बिराज सुबेशा. कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा. हाथ वज्र औ ध्वजा बिराजै. कांदे मूंज जने ऊसाजै. शंकर सुवन केशरी नंदन. तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन. विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर. राम काज करिबेको आतुर. प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबेको रसिया. राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा. विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा. भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे. रामचंद्र के काज संवारे. लाय संजीवन लखन जियाये. श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाये. रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई. तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही संभाई. सहस बदन तुम्हरो यश गावै. अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै. सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा. नारद शारद सहित अहीशा. यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहांते. कवि कोविद कहि सकै कहांते. तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा. राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा. तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्त्र योजन पर भानु, लील्योता ही मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माही, जलधि लांगी गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होतन आज्ञा बिन पैसारे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै, तीनों लोक हांकते कांपै। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवै, महावीर जब नाम सुनावै। नाशौ रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावै, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावै। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै। चारों युग पर ताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावै, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावै। अंत काल रघुपति पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्तन दरई, हनुमत से ई सर्व सुख करई। संकट हरई मिटई सब पीरा, जो सुमिरई हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो शत बार पाठ कर कोई, पाठ कर जोई। छुटहि बंदी महासुख होई, जो यह पढ़ई हनुमान चालीसा। होई सिद्धि साकी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। की जयनाथ हृदय महडेरा। पवन तनया संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Fine? Everyone could follow? Good? Very good. I took very medium pace. I didn't go fast. I didn't go too slow. So this is a medium pace. So it hardly took 7 minutes. Right? So even though if you recite faster, if you recite slow, you should be more conscious and more attentive with your letters and pronunciation. Okay, so now this is our activity where we'll look into the pronunciation. Okay, so now keep your highlighter or color pencil. I'll start from the beginning. I'll highlight the letters where you have to stress and observe each and every letter very carefully. Okay, so first one, Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj, Nij Man Mukur Sudhar. Dha is stress. Highlight the dha. Sudhar. It can be Sudhari is also right. Sudhar is also right. Second one, Baranau Raghubar. Continues. Baranau Raghubar Bimal Yash, Jodayak Phalachar. So Baranau Raghubar. Raghu. Gha. Gha press. Raghu. GH. You can highlight. GH. Raghu. And last one, Phal. F. Phalachar. PH. So if you are confused how to highlight, I'll show it to you. So if this is my letter Raghu, everyone can see. So this is how I highlight it. If it is RAGHU Raghu, then I will highlight GH. Okay, clear? Is it clear? So you have to highlight the letters. So I'll tell you the letters also. Fine. So everything is okay with the first one? Okay, we'll go with the second one. Buddhihin. Buddhi. D-H. Highlight the D-H. Buddhihin. Tanujanike. Sumirao Pavan Kumar. Bala Buddhi Vidya. Again Buddhi. D-H. Bala Buddhi. Dehu mohi harahu kalesh vikar. Clear with second one? I'll go with next. Jai Hanuman Gnan Guna Sagar. There is no highlight. Jai Kapis Tihulok Ujagar. No highlight. Next one. Ramadut Atulit Baladhama. Baladhama. DH. Highlight the DH. Baladhama. DH. Anjani Putra Pavana Sutanama. No highlight. Next one. Mahabir Bikram Bajarangi. Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. No highlight in third. Okay, we'll go with fourth one. Kanchan Baran Biraj Subesha. Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesha. No highlight. Fifth one. Hath. TH. Hath is hand. TH is highlight. Hath. Th. Hath Bajra Au. Dwaja. DH. Dwaja. Dha. Dwaja. Birajai. Kandhe. Against the next one. Kandhe. DH. Kandhe Munj Jane Usajai. Clear? Okay. So why am I asking you to do? So that you will remember. So that is why I am asking you to do it on your own with the highlight. Just a second. Okay. We finished with the fifth, right? Okay, we'll go with the sixth. Shankar Suvana Keshari Nandan. No highlight. Tej Pratap Mahajagvandan. No need to highlight. Seventh. Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur. Ram Kaj Karibeko Atur. No highlight. Eighth one. Prabhu. BH. Prabhu. Bhu. Prabhu. Highlight BH. Prabhu Charitra Sunibeko Rasiya. Ram Lakhan Sitaman Basiya. Sukshma Rupadhari. Dha. DH. Sukshma Rupadhari. DH. Ninth one. Rupadhari. Siyahi Dikhava. Again KH. Dikhava. KH. Vikata Rupadhari. Again DH. Lank Jarava. So there are three highlight in ninth one. Clear? Clear? Okay. 10th one. Bhima Rupadhari. Bhim. BH. First letter. Bhim. And Rupadhari. DH. Asura Samhare. Ramachandra ke Kaj Samvare. 11th one. Laya Sanjeevan Lakhan Jayaya. Lakhan KH. LAKH. KH. Shri Raghubir. Again Raghu. GH. Harashi Urulaye. 12th. Raghupati. Raghu. Wherever you have a Raghu, GH is highlight. Raghupati Keenhi. Bahut Badai. Tum Mam Priya. Bharat. BH. Bharat. His some Bhai. Again BH. Bharat BH. Bhai BH. 13th. Sahas Badan Tumharo Yash Gavai. Asakahi Shripati Kanth Lagavai. No highlight. Sanakadik Brahmadi Munisha. Narada Sharada Sahit Ahisha. No highlight. Yamakuber Digpal Jahante. Kavi Kovid Kahi Sakai Kahante. No highlight. Tum Upakar Sugriva Hi Keenha. Ram Milaya Rajpad Deenha. No highlight. Tumharo Mantra Vibhishan. Vibhi. BH. Vibhishan Mana. Lankeshwar Bhaye. BH. Sab Jag Jana. 18th. Yuga Sahastra Yojan Parvanu. Bhanu. BH. Bhanu means sun. लील्योताहि मधुर. Madhur means sweet. Madhur, DH highlight. Fal, PH. Jano. 3 highlight in 18. Okay? 19th one. Prabhu. Again, which one to highlight in Prabhu? Already we have done. BH. Prabhu Mudrika Meli Mukh Mahi. Mukh. KH. Jaladhi. DH. Langhi. GH. I hope you have corrected the word here in 19th. LANGHI. It's not a DHI. It's a GHI. Hope you have corrected it. LANGHI. GH is highlight. Achraj nahi. 20th. Durgam kaaj jagat ke jete. Sugam anugrah tumhare tete. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे. तुम सुख. सुख KH. सुख KH. लहै तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. 23. आपन तेज संहारो आपै तीनों लोक हांकते कांपै. भूत पिशाच. भूत BH. भूत. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवई महावीर जब नाम सुनावई. 25. नाशौ रोग हरई सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावई मन क्रम बचन ध्यान. ध्यान DH. ध्यान DH. And in the first line छुड़ावई CH. संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावई CH. Highlight the CH in first line. 26th. Clear? We'll go with 27. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. 28. और मनोरथ TH. मनोरथ TH. Highlight TH. जो कोई लावई सोई अमित जीवन फल. In फल what will you highlight? PH. Very good. जीवन फल पावई. चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा है परसिद्ध. सिद्ध द DH. जगत उजियारा. साधु DH. साधु. 30th. साधु DH. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे. इन रखवारे KH. असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. 31. अष्ट सिद्धि. इन अष्ट सिद्धि DH. Ashta means 8. Nava means 9. Ashta Siddhi DH highlight. Nava Nidhi. Nidhi DH. Siddhi DH. Nidhi DH. Asbar Deena Janaki Mata. 32. राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. In रघुपति what will you highlight? Very good. GH. Yes. तुम्हारे भजन. भजन BH. राम को पावई जन्म जन्म के दुख. इन दुख KH. सुख दुख बिसरावई. अंतकाल रघुपतिपुर जाई. अगेन रघु GH. जहा जन्म हरिभक्त भ BH. हरिभक्त BH कहाई. और देवता चित्तन धरई ध DH. हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख. इन सुख what will you highlight? Very good. KH. 36. संकट हरई मिटई सब पीरा जो सुमिरई हनुमत बलबीरा. No highlight. जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. No highlight. जो शत बार पाठ ठ. पाठ T. Highlight the T. पाठ means to read. चुटही CH. Second line, Chutahi, CH. Chutahi Bandi Mahasukh. Again in Sukh, what will you highlight? KH. Very good. 39. Jo Yah Padai Hanuman Chalisa. Chalisa means 40. Hoi Siddhi. In Siddhi, what will you highlight? DH. Very good. Sakhi. KH. Gaurisa. Tulasidas Sada Harichera Ki Jai Nath. In Nath, TH. Mahadera. Pavan Tanaya Sankat Haran Mangalamurti Roop Ram Lakhan KH. In Lakhan, KH. Ram Lakhan Sita Sahit Hridayi Basahu Surabhoop BH. Surabhoop BH. So don't get confused, you will get the updated document also. If you have missed it, you can check in that and you can correct it. Okay? So this is like an activity I wanted you to do it, you to highlight. Listen and carefully and you will do it. So it's like improves your attention and focus. Clear? Any doubt? No doubt. Okay. So now I'll give you 1 minute time for everyone. Take any stanza, any one stanza, and you have to tell the meaning of that stanza for me in a simple words. Or you can just take the few words in that particular stanza and tell meaning of those words. Okay? Shall we start? Take any one stanza, any one. Okay, your time starts now. Fine, very good. Tomorrow, I didn't explain the meanings today, that's fine. Today you will receive one PDF and the highlighted PDF. Okay, you will receive 2 PDF along with the recordings. So what you have to do, just recite the entire Hanuman Chalisa, slowly observe each highlighted letter today. And carefully you have to recite without any mistakes. Even though you recite it faster, you have to do it slowly. Tomorrow, I'll tell the meaning once again, quickly, very quickly I'll do the meaning. Then everyone will recite the Hanuman Chalisa. Okay, I'll go with the turn. For everyone, I'll give the chance. I'll give you the verses on the spot, then you have to recite it. Clear? Any doubt, any questions? Very good. You have learned Hanuman Chalisa within 5 days, 5-6 days. That's very nice, and with the meanings. And most of you remember the meanings. Good. So slowly you can memorize the entire Hanuman Chalisa. Okay, take time, slowly do the memorization of Hanuman Chalisa. Again, in the month of July, so this is July, right? Okay, so this month end, you will be having one more recitation. So I'll plan the date and I'll convey the message to you. Okay, at that time we will join once again together and everyone will recite the Hanuman Chalisa. At that time, you should be completely memorized and you should say Hanuman Chalisa without looking into the script. Fine? So you have 1 month time. You can practice every day so that you can memorize and you can tell me the Hanuman Chalisa in the month end. Fine? Tomorrow we have the class at the same time. Okay? Thank you so much. Namaste. Bye. Namaste, ma'am. Namaste. Thank you. Bye. Namaste.